arm wave today, right? So we're gonna extend our arms out. Now you wanna imagine a wave going through your arms. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Right? So now I'm going to teach you how to do the wave. Right? So you're going to start with your fingers. You're going to take your fingers up and then down. Yeah, up and down. Now as you take them up and down, you're going to move your wrist second. So fingers, wrist. Yeah, you see the wrist comes up. Now after the wrist, the elbow comes up. So it's finger, wrist, elbow. And then your shoulder comes up. Yeah, one more time. Finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder. Now from this shoulder, take it to your chest, to the left shoulder. Yeah, so if you start on your right, fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest. Then you do the reverse. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Yeah, so you want to make sure that you're following this pattern. Finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. And then the same thing from the other side. Fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, up, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Yeah, try to keep your fingers moving a lot like this. Yeah, so the wave looks clean. Yes? Awesome. So let's go from right to left and then left to right. So we go finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Fingers, wrist, elbow, shoulder, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Right? Now we can do the wave big or we can do it small. Small is a little harder, but I'm sure with practice we can get it. Right? So big wave is whoosh. Yeah? Now when you're doing a small wave, you want to think about like you're in a box, okay, and your hand you cannot touch the walls of the box, right? There's a box like this, there's a box like this, your hand is inside the box. So you cannot move your hand up and down, there's only so much space, right? So how are you going to do the wave? Yeah, small wave, small wave, small wave, small wave. Yeah, don't take your hands up, don't take your hands down. Try to do it in the same level, same spot. Right? So that is your arm wave. So keep practicing. All the best.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.